Yes, and my dear and boys and girls, ready to have the blue one. For Christmas, I miss that school. Yes, because actually, one thing I'm telling you, as B people are celebrating Diwali in India, and Muslims they are celebrating Eid, and Christian people they are celebrating Christmas. Christmas 24th December is Christmas Eve and 25th is Christmas, and they are celebrating with pump and show. They are celebrating the Christmas with pump and show. Everyone was happy, and after that everyone is enjoying. I hope you understand the lesson in 6th class, the old clock shop. I think you have read, and in that lesson also, some two persons they don't have money to celebrate Christmas. They come to the class, to come to the shop, and they sold their watch to celebrate Christmas. One thing I am telling you, and in India, we are in the habit of amassing money, amassing money for the children. But in foreign countries, European countries, they are not amassing money. Whatever they are, they have, and they are spending on themselves. Understand? So this is their theory is Epicurean theory. What they are doing? Eat, drink, and be merry. Understand? Eat, drink, and be merry. That is the principle of their life. And for Indian people, what they are doing? They are setting up for the children, setting up money for the children. Yes, that is the main difference between us and them. Yes, I miss that school, and my new teacher does not equalize with the Jew. Jew means madam, Madam Mason, Miss Mason. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. Yours truly, Banda Pentrosky. Yes, yours truly, Banda Pentrosky. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. All the houses had, what is it? It didn't have that rest and holy in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were trees were stacked, and in that window, candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopias of shiny, transparent paper were strung. The air smelled like Christmas, air smelled like Christmas, and light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. She shows it shows she got our letter, and that is her way of saying that everything is all right, and that is what that. I hope so. The Maddie sadly she felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight lipped Polish girl. Polish girl again. Polish means she was from Poland. So that is why we are calling Polish. As we are Indian, we are living in India and could not ever really make things right between them. Yes, cornucopias means decorative containers usually contain flowers and fruits. Holly means a shrub having prickly dark green leaves, small white flowers, and red berries. It is used in Christmas decorations. Yes, it means everything was on the shops, and the air smelled like a Christmas. There was fragrance in the air. There was fragrance in the air. Everyone is feeling that Christmas. Understand, when you are on Diwali, you are going to the bazaar, and everywhere you are smelling the sweets air fragrance. Understand? It shows that some, and there is Diwali. Understand? So this is like this. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive from the brilliance of the colors. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. But Banda had been nice to her anyway. One thing I'm telling you, boys and girls, if one person who is doing misbehave with you, one person who is misbehaving with you, and the other time you are very nice to with that person, and one thing I'm telling you, your mind will melt, your mind will melt, and your mind will go with that person. Understand? So that is why punishing others, punishing the guilty is very very easy, and excuse, you should excuse that person is very very tough. So that is I am telling you. Tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Understand? There were tears in her eyes because she had teased her so much. And in the end, you can see she has dedicated one dress to Peggy also. Yes, she gazed for a long time at the picture. So that is why she is looking at the picture, and then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. Intently means with his intention. Intentionally she has read again and again, because the letter she has written Peggy's name also. So that is why there were tears in her eyes. That is why she has been looking at the picture, looking at the drawing, and after that she has thinking that she has done something wrong with that girl. The colors in the dress were so vivid. Vivid means clear. Vivid means clear. And vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face. Scarcely means hardly. Head of the drawing, but it looked like her. Yes, actually, one thing I am telling you, she has made the picture of Peggy. She has made the picture of Maddie. Yes, like Maddie. It really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? Banda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. Yes, and she has gone to Peggy to show that she has made my picture. Maddie is going to Peggy. Yes, you can see. While explanation I am reading here, while staring at the drawing Banda had given her, Maddie's vision got blurred. Blurred, you know very well, because there are tears in her eyes. That is why she was not able to see. From tears, she rubbed her eyes and noticed that Wanda had actually drawn Maddie's face along with the dress. The colors of the dress were so bright and vibrant that the face was hardly visible. And Maddie got excited and ran towards Peggy to check if she had noticed it too. She has gone to tell her that either you have noticed or not. Yes, she has gone there. She is saying Peg. Peg is the nickname of Peggy, as B people are calling you. Understand? Nickname. Yes, Peg, she said. Let me see your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy. As you clattered up to her room where Banda's drawing was laying face down on the bed, Maddie carefully raised it. Look, she drew you. Yes, when she has seen, she has seen her own picture in the drawing. That is you. And she exclaimed that the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. That picture, that drawing was looking like Peggy. As soon as she reached Peggy's house, she asked her for the picture. The drawing was laying upside down on the bed. Maddie raised it and yes, it was Peggy in that drawing. Both were left in shock and awe at the same time. Yes, you can see. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us. Yes, Peggy said, she must have really liked us. Understand? Anyway, yes, she must have, agreed Maddie. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Banda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off, after she had said, "Sure, 100 of them, all lined up." So you can see, Peggy exclaimed that she was right about the thought that Banda liked them. Maddie, whose eyes get filled with tears every time she recalled that scene where Banda would look at the girls laughing at her, also agreed with Peggy. So this is your lesson, very beautiful lesson. I hope you must like it. And question answers I want to discuss. So what did Mr. Pentrosky letter say? Uh, Jasprit Kaur ji, Jasprit Kaur ji,
Yes, sir.
bete read the answer.
Sir, clearly visible नहीं आ रहा.
It is not visible to you. Okay, I will read. It's very small now. That is why, bete. Okay, let me change it first. Uh, yes, I think it will be visible to you now. Yes, is it visible, Jasprit Kaur ji? Okay,
No, sir.
okay, I will read. No problem. What did Mr. Pentrosky's letter say? Yes, answer. The letter began with a salutation to Miss Mason. Wanda's father conveyed his intention of not sending both of his children, Banda and Jack, to school anymore. He mentioned that they were now being shifted. They were now being shifted to another city, a big one where no one would care enough about their strange name. A big city with a lot of people having weird names. Do you understand? So, because people were teasing her, students were teasing her with the name Wanda Petronsky. Understand? So that is why they are being shifted to the another city where there are so many strange names and nobody is concerned about the names and other things. So that is why his their father has taken this decision to shift to another city. Next question number 2. Is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy or upset? Miss Mason is amazed after reading the letter. Why she is amazed? Because she does not know what is going on in the class. and the girls, they were teasing that girl. She does not know. So that is why she was amazed. Miss Mason is amazed after reading the letter. She is upset about the fact that her students have treated someone badly because they came from a different place and had an unusual name. Even though she was unhappy, she gave the children benefit of the doubt that whatever happened must have happened in a thoughtlessness. So that is why she was saying what has happened is happened in thoughtlessness. Thoughtlessness means without thinking. Actually, the girls who teased her, Peggy and Maddie, they don't want to tease her because they have never thought like this. So it was what was happened in thoughtlessness. बिना सोचे समझे. Thoughtlessness means बिना सोचे समझे. Yes. Question number 3. What does Maddie's How does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Banda's father? Maddie gets sad and feels extremely bad after listening to the note from Banda's father. She felt like a coward for not standing up against other girls who were teasing Banda. All she could think about is now they made Banda feel that hoped hoped for the chance to make amends. So that is why now she is thinking that they should amend their behavior. They should go to her. They should go to her home and they should feel repentance. Okay, what has been done? It was done with thoughtlessness. So that is why they want to go to home. Question number 4. What does Maddie want to do? Maddie, who is sad, wanted to make everything right with Banda. She hoped for one last chance to make amends and tell her how sorry she was. And she wanted to feel sorry because Banda also was from a poor family. So that is why she was thinking that after Banda, Maddie will be the next target in the class because she was also from poor family. Question number 5. Comprehension number 2. Check. What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior and why? In order to free herself from the guilt, Peggy exclaimed that she is thankful that she never made fun of her because she was a Polish immigrant and had an unfamiliar name. She also asked her about the number of dresses she had. Peggy said that Wanda should not have lied that she had 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. So that is why she was teasing her all the time when she was asking how many pairs you have in your closet. She was saying 100 dresses all lined up in her closet and she had 60 pairs of shoes. So though she has been coming to the class wearing faded blue dress. What are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Bogan's Heights? Maddie could only think about making amends with Banda. She hoped the Pentroskis had not left the town. All she could think of was a chance to meet her and stop her from moving. She wanted to tell that everyone at the school admired her and her drawings. So enough, I think. I hope you have this one is also. So boys and girls, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Who is gone?
Yes, sir.
Bete, who has gone? Tamanna?
Yes.